It's 5 p.m. and I was supposed to return some packages in Amazon. I mean, yeah, in Amazon, but through Canada Post. But since it's already 5 p.m. and it's so cold, and the Canada Post will close at 5, so I wouldn't be able to make it. I'll just do it tomorrow. I don't know if you can hear me because of this really cold wind, but I'm on my way to Best Buy to buy a gaming headset, and I'll take you with me.
Few inches later.
Okay, so I have some kind of a bad news. Nakalimutan ko yung bus pass ko. Akala ko nandito na sa wallet ko. Wala para. So I would need to go to a convenience store and get a bus pass. Grabe, sobrang lamig guys. It's -2 right now. And hindi ko na nafe-feel yung lips ko at saka sobrang sakit na ng tenga ko. I've been here for more than a year. Pero hindi ka masasanay sa lamig guys, sobrang lamig. You will have to have proper clothing in order for you to get by with this very cold weather here in Canada. So yan yung isa sa mga i-anticipate niyo. You should bring lots of winter clothes when you get here. I mean, I'm already wearing 3 layers right now. It's just that you'll never get used to it.
A few moments later.
Okay, hello guys. So I just got out of Best Buy and here's what I got. This is the wireless Void RGB Elite wireless gaming headset by Corsair.
8:01 p.m.
I just got home and I just got this new wireless gaming headset, Corsair Void RGB Elite Wireless. And I'm so excited to open this one because I've seen a lot of reviews, and that's why I was encouraged or influenced to get this one too. This is $150. So let's open it up and let's see what's inside. There's a plastic right here. We might need to use something sharp to cut this off. Tape right here. So this is what's inside the box. The actual wireless headset itself. So we have the instruction manual. We also have the charger and the USB dongle.
A few moments later.
After I plugged in the USB dongle, it automatically detects the flash drive. So it's automatically set. There's a volume right here that you can push if you want to turn on the volume. If you want to lower the volume, you can just press this. Also, the mute button is right here and the power button is right here. Let's hear the sound quality, see if it's really good. One thing I noticed about it is that it's a little bit loose for my head. Maybe I just need to adjust it. Okay, all right. It's just fine. It's comfortable, it's light. I'm wearing a cap right now, so that would definitely have a little impact on it. Let's play a song here, and I'm going to, I definitely can't hear anything in the background if I'm wearing it, but yeah, it's very comfortable too. Yeah, let's play some song here.
12 seconds later.
The sound quality is good. It's not very bassy. Maybe I can do some adjustment on it, or maybe there's like a software I can download. Yeah, I can say that the sound quality is just okay. I'm not really impressed with the sound quality that I'm getting from this. I was expecting a little bit more, or even better than this crappy old headset I have. This is wired though, so this is a lot convenient because it's wireless. With regard to like the bass, it's not really that impressive. I think I'm gonna play a little bit more songs, or like play this headset a little bit more if there's like a software for Corsair that I can download and like do the adjustments from there. Hopefully there is. If there is, then that's definitely a good thing for this Corsair. By the way, I'm not a professional reviewer or anything like that. I'm just reviewing the stuff that I have. So I can definitely assure you that I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I'm telling you what I'm observing or what I've experienced with all of the stuffs that I have. And I'm just gonna do some more research on this and see if I can download programs for the Corsair. Okay, so the microphone or the sound that you will be hearing from now would be coming from this microphone. I'm just testing it. This is an edited voice. I mean, I plugged the dangle in the back of my computer, start recording, and this is what you will get. This is the sound quality. I have no idea how this would sound. I don't know yet, so it's up to you to decide what do you think of the audio that is coming from this this headset. Now, I'm gonna listen to it and see for myself, and yeah, I'll let you know what I think. Okay, so I found a software from the Corsair website. It's called the IQ, and I just downloaded it, and currently my computer is restarting after I installed it. So let's see if I can make the changes with like some equalizer or stuff, and let's see if that would improve the sound and would probably impress me, because so far I'm not really impressed with it with regard to the sound. Not so. Let's see after the software that I downloaded would make a difference. If I didn't search for Corsair Void wireless driver, I would probably know. So that's one thing that you should consider. Don't just plug and play. Plug it, search for the driver in the Corsair website, and see if there's a difference. Okay, so after I installed the software and opened this IQ software, there's actually an update for the firmware version 0.02. Now it's asking me to connect the headset to the computer using this USB connection or connector. Let's just do that. Let's update the firmware and let's see how this would sound like. So it's updating the firmware now. It's right here. We'll just have to wait for it to finish. It's going really fast.
The next day.
This is day 2. I did a review. I did a video yesterday reviewing about this Void wireless RGB headset by Corsair, and I wasn't really impressed with the sound at first. If you're planning to buy this, make sure that you go to the website and download the software, because if you just plugged it and then listen to it, it sounds terrible. I mean, it sounds too thin, too terrible. I'm not really impressed with the sound quality, but after I downloaded the software from their website, then I was able to select a preset there for bass. That made the sound quality coming out from the headset a lot better. Another thing that I don't like about this headset, that's why I'm returning it right now after this video. I'm returning it to Best Buy, is because yesterday while I was doing a review, I was wearing a cap, so I didn't realize that without a cap, it is too loose for my head, man. Like when I look down, it's like it's almost gonna fall. Like, and then if I put it like that, it's really loose for my head. I already did all the adjustments I can, like compress it as much as I can, but it's just too loose. It's too loose for me. That's not what I really want. Aside from that, the sound quality of the microphone, the sound quality of the headset after I downloaded the software is actually good, but it's comfortable if I'm wearing a cap. Like I don't wear a cap all the time, so without a cap, it easily falls off from my head. So I'm going back to Best Buy and then return this. I think I'm just gonna get another headset and see what I will find there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm not a professional reviewer, so whatever you hear from me is straight out of my thoughts. I didn't even prepare for this one. I just want to let you know, because if you're searching for reviews about headsets, you would like see videos from those people who are clearly sponsored. Me, I bought this. I didn't like it. I'm gonna return it. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and see you in my next vlog.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. the way